find a space to sit down, find a space to relax in. Whether you're sitting on your couch, sitting in a chair, sitting in your kitchen or your living room, wherever you are, allow yourself to just come to the moment and take a deep breath. We're going to take 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. And a third. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Fantastic. Allow yourself to let your breath go back to its normal cadence, its normal rhythm. Allow it to just go on without thought. And allow yourself to see yourself walking through 6 different nature scenes. 6 different spaces where you feel fulfilled and in awe of nature, where you can see, smell, hear all things taking place around you in nature. Allow yourself to move through those 6 spaces now. And as you come to the 6th space, allow yourself to step onto a trail in the woods, a well-walked trail in the woods. All around you are trees that are covered in the greenest leaves that you've ever seen. All around the ground are green, mossy rocks and green grass. And your path is a well-walked dirt path. Walk along this path, taking in all of the sights of this path in this forest, smelling the freshness of the green trees and the green grass and the green moss that's all around you. Allow yourself to be walking on this path and feeling the warmth of the sun peeking through the trees as you are taking in all of the green grass, the green moss, and the green leaves on the trees. And as you are taking all of this in, you realize that you are emanating green light. Green light is all around you, and you are emanating green light from your chest, and you are a ball of green light. Take a deep breath. Hold at the top. Exhale. With this green light, you realize that not only is your green light reaching out and touching everything around you, but everything else is emanating a green light, and it is reaching out to you. That there is a symbiotic relationship taking place with you and everything around you, and that you are healing everything around you, and everything around you is sending healing energy to you. Allow yourself to take that in and feel that in all of your senses, on all levels. Take a deep breath. Hold at the top. Exhale. You can hear birds. You can see small woodland creatures. And you're walking on this path, and all of a sudden, you come to the edge of this green forest, and everything ahead of you is gold. Before you step into the gold, allow yourself to know that consciously or unconsciously, you are healing on all levels by cultivating inner peace, by connecting with your truth, by showing up in the world, by sharing your love, by being your best self. You are healing on all levels. And as you step into the golden space, take 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. And as you come back to this space and this time and you open your eyes, allow yourself to tell yourself that I am constantly healing on all levels. I am here. I am now. I am awake. Fantastic. Wonderful. Take a minute and just roll your shoulders. Allow yourself to just let that all sink in. Allow yourself to just stretch into that. That was fantastic.